welcome back to my mommy's channel.
That was really cute. No, okay. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Really quick, I just wanted to let you know that the giveaway details are in the description. This is the painting that I'll be giving away. It was a funnel pour. There's lots of purple and gold in there. It's all varnished and ready to go. The giveaway will be going on for 7 days. So next weekend, probably next Sunday, I will announce the winner. Or you'll get an email, but there's a link in the description, so click on that. There's several ways to enter, and you can enter more than once each day. So check it out, and thank you guys so much for your support and from subscribing and sending people my way. Appreciate it. So this is what will be given away. All right, and then, okay, so here's the pour that I did last night, and it's going to be attached to this video. You'll get to see the process after I'm done talking. So I stopped at Sorstrin Greens yesterday and picked up their colors. This is rose. This is gold. Phthalo blue. Nice metallic silver. And titanium white, of course. My mix for this was with Owatrol Floetrol. There's a link to where I get this in my description. Check them out. Good price. And then, so it was 1 part paint, 2 parts Owatrol, some water to thin. And I did 3 puddles. But you'll see now after this. Alright, but thanks again. Check the description for the giveaway details. There's a link below to enter. And yes, alright, thanks guys.